Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Suzo. I just want to thank those who subscribe to my channel. If you're new to this page, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you liked the video. Anyways, today we're going to be eating tacos. So this is the tacos that we're going to be eating, and this is my first time trying this brand. And we have avocado. I made this avocado, so I cut the avocado and I cut the tomatoes, then I put it on there. I put a little bit of oil, then I put a salt, then I mix it. And I have cheese, and I'm going to be eating some pickles. And then I have Taco Bell sauce I'm gonna be putting on my food, and of course I have my little bit of lemon. And then I have hot sauce. So let's start off with this one. So I'm gonna put a avocado on there. A little bit of avocado. Let me not put too much. And I'm gonna put my cheese on there. Cheese. Of course, you can't go without this. Oh my God, that was too much. Spicy. You know, today actually is Tuesday tacos, so I'm trying Tuesday tacos. So. It's not that bad. It's good. These nachos taste like Doritos, spicy Doritos. It's really good. I hope y'all like my look, you know. By the way, I made my own chicken, so I cooked my own chicken today. I fried the chicken. I put tomato, onions, and some seasoning on there. A little bit of hot sauce, not too much, just a little bit. Oh, so good. Pickles. This Taco Bell sauce is really good. You guys should try it. I got this thing on Myers. Bought it on Myers. It's really good. I can't believe it's almost Thanksgiving. I'm not even prepared. Like, not even prepared, to be honest. I'm not a fan of Thanksgiving, but because I don't know how to cook turkey, you know? I don't know how to cook turkey. But hey, if anybody invite me to their house, I'll be in that car driving, you know? So yummy. I love the taste of it. It's really good. I got my mini tacos and put avocado on there. A little bit on there. Cheese. I'm gonna do the sauce. It's so good. Ooh, I think I heard it. Next time I'm gonna try the Taco Bell new tacos. I buy a lot of them. I'm gonna try. And then I wanna try the burrito. I'm making a lot of mess. Why am I eating this taco like I'm eating a cedar? These nachos really taste like Doritos, I swear. I'm already full just for eating two. Imagine all this. My stomach's gonna blow off. And this avocado is really good, man. I love avocado. With tomato on there and a little bit of onions. That's my thing. I like to add a little bit of oil on my avocado. I can eat avocado with anything. Just name it. But anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the red button. Hit the likes. I just like the bag of it. So good. You hear the sound? Oh, excuse me. Shout out to people that know how to cook. Stay like that. And also shout out to the lazy people that don't know how to cook. Stay like that. This taco is so good. I need to start eating tacos more and more and more often. Tastes so good. Next time I'm gonna do a lamb taco. I'm gonna cook lamb, you know, add a little bit of whatever vegetables. I'm gonna create my own tacos next time. I'm gonna try lamb tacos for the first time. I always eat beef tacos and chicken tacos. I never tried pork taco because I'm not really a fan of pork. This is really good. Imagine I'm already full, you know? See my outfit. The way I've been licking my hand, like I feel like it looks like I've been washing it. Anyways, thank you for subscribing to my channel once again, and thank you guys for supporting me. Till next time, bye bye, peace out. I'm out. I'm already full, so let me go take a nap. Bye guys.